All right, we're gonna do something I've never done before. All right, guys, rumor has it that pineapple juice is one of the best meat tenderizers ever. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take this steak and put it in a bag of pulverized pineapple for 1 hour, and we're gonna see what happens. We'll just let that water warm up while my steak marinates. Oh my goodness, I can tell that worked. It's so tenderized. Oh, that's good steak. Oh, that pineapple's really good too. Baked apple and baked yam, there's nothing added to it. It's just wonderful. You know, I don't mean to brag or anything, but that's a pretty decent medium for just doing it over a fire.